And we are standing right now over the 401, the speed limit, of course, 100 kilometers an hour. But one man wants to change that. Chris Klimek, your website, stop100.ca, you're proposing the provincial government do what?
To recognize our current safe driving practices. So recognize that the drivers are currently driving between 115, 120, all the way to 130 and 140 kilometers an hour, quite frequently. Okay? We want the government to recognize that as safe. MTO claims the roads are pretty safe today. And we want to match the speed limit to the excellent quality of our highways. We should be proud of our Ontario highways, 400 serious provincial highways. Raise the speed limit to the level seen in Europe, in the Western United States.
So give me a breakdown of what you want the limit to be on all of our serious highways.
Okay, so again, going with the Europeans and many other countries, I want the speed limit to be 120 on all of the provincial highways. Okay. Again, except some danger areas, perhaps some sharp curves. Obviously, you can limit the speed to 90 or 100 or 110 on those areas. I want the blanket speed limit of 120 and 130 on rural areas and outside of metropolitan areas, and also 401 Express, which again has less ramps, much safer quality of the highway, and Highway 407. Just a few examples. So 130 on those better areas and outside of metropolitan areas.
Chris, of course, you're going to get the argument from provincial officials saying speed kills. With stats, they're seeing people who are speeding, we're seeing a number of accidents on the roads. Do you think that an increase in speed will do that?
Well, we're not calling for increasing speeds on our highways. We're just calling for recognizing the current speeds, which are very frequently between 120, 130, and 140 kilometers an hour. So MTO claims our roads are pretty safe today. We stick to that claim. We trust MTO that they're right.
Thank you very much for joining us again. Chris Klimek, he's already written a letter to the provincial government. We'll see where that goes. I'm going to have a full wrap for you on this story tonight on City News at 6. Along the 401 in Oshawa, Melanie Ng, City News.